Okay, today I'm unboxing my new solar pathway lights. I'm really excited about these. They're going to go in the pool garden here. Let's take a look at this. It's an English manual. That looks good. Very nice. Oh wow. These feel really good in my hand. Top screws off. It's in the off position. Let's see if there's any power in it. There's a little bit of power in the batteries. This feels really good in my hands. I really like this cracked glass look. So when it illuminates, it's going to put a crackling shadow on the pool deck. I have these kind of lights mounted on the wall too. Feels really good in my hand. It's nice and heavy. So basically that just flips around. This goes in like this. And that'll go right into my pool garden. So I'm going to make sure the switch is off. Yep, switch is off. And I'm going to charge it up in the full sun for the day. And then we'll check it out at nighttime to see how it goes. But this particular solar path light goes into RGB, red, into all the different colors, and it'll just cycle through. Or it goes into a nice warm white. These are reasonably priced. Feels really good for the money. So I'm going to charge these up, and I will show you what they look like at nighttime. Okay, so I've had a chance to test out these solar pathway lights for about a week now. And just to review, what I did was I took the top off, I turned it to off, and then I put it in direct sun and I charged it for a day. And then I'm going to show you what these lights look like at night in the pool garden. You mount it onto a stake like this, really straightforward. When it's all charged up, you turn it on, you put it in, and this is what it looks like at night. Here's the warm white, which is very nice. And then you've got red, green, blue, and a really nice purple in the RGB setting, which I think that's how I'm going to leave it. But that's what it looks like. So testing these out, they managed to go all night long. As soon as it got dark, they turned on, and they went right through until the sun came up on the first day. Then the second day it was kind of cloudy out and coming through the pool screen. It didn't charge up as much. It only lasted till about 3 in the morning, but that's still pretty good. I'm going to leave 3 of them in the pool garden, and I'm going to take 3 back to our summer home. I think they'll be really nice lining the pathway to the water. I really like these lights. They're extremely well made. They're lasting the whole night, and I really like the fact that if you take a look right here, you've got a battery that can be replaced. Just find another battery on Amazon, rechargeable battery. It's a AA, in it goes. That's perfect. Solar pathway lights. I'm giving that 5 stars for sure. And I'm going to put a link where I bought them on Amazon. I highly recommend these lights. I like the metal finish on it. Looks really nice. It's like a brushed copper. They're waterproof. And they look really good at night. My solar pathway lights are getting 5 stars today. Really like them. It was a good buy. Thanks for watching.